What's up, everybody? I'm Richard Rawlings, and this is the world-famous Gas Monkey Garage right here in Dallas, Texas. And if you know what we do, then you gotta love it. It's all about cars, finding that rusted, derelict Detroit steel and bringing it back to life. Come on in, let me show you what we're doing. So naturally, when we expanded our operation, lighting was a critical choice. We had to have good, reliable lighting, whether it was to see the finest details in the paint or to safely work with our equipment. Dim, unreliable lighting simply was not an option. Here at Gas Monkey, we're constantly working on new projects, and we can't afford to stop work to move cars and equipment to maintain access to our lighting. Time is money, and we don't monkey around with that. Maybe he does.
Hey, I'm Mike Jones, local contractor here at Gas Monkey Garage. The main reason I recommended Dialight to Richard: durability, performance, low maintenance, and ease of installation. We installed high bays, linears, floods, and area lighting. By upgrading to Dialight, we were able to use fewer fixtures, save money and energy. These lights will last for the long haul without any maintenance. We can't say that for fluorescents.
As you can see, we know a thing or two about industrial design and performance, and that's why Dialight stepped in, because they're rugged, they last forever, they're cheaper on electricity, and I'll tell you what, we can see in here now.